Hi everyone, welcome back from BIM AC Studio. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the energy analysis model with Revit platform and Autodesk Insight platform. BIM key dimension is sustainability, so energy analysis also enters the sustainability. We are create this energy analysis model between design stage and construction stage to get design development. In this video, I'm going to use Revit platform to create solar study, and after that Autodesk Insight platform to create energy analysis model. So in this video, I'm using Autodesk Revit Visit Center project. Alright. So right now I have to go to the site floor plan. So in the properties palette, the orientation, we can see project node. When I click here, we can see another option. So another one is true node. What is the difference between project node and true node? We are using project node to work comfortable and workable. So that's why we are using project node. Whenever your project location is angular or rotate some degree, whenever we are using project node to get the project aligned with this view. Okay, so for the solar study, we have to set the project correct location based on their true node. So I'm going to show you the two important things we have to set before we create the solar study in the Revit. In the solar study in Revit, we have to do two important things. The first one is rotate true node. The second is set correct building location. The true node we can see inside this red circle. So we are saying this is the project true node. The second is, you can see here, we can set project location at the same setting. So these are the two important things we have to set up before we are doing solar study. Alright, so let me back to the Revit platform. Okay, so now I'm going to create another site floor plan. So duplicate, right click and duplicate with detailing. So now I'm going to rename. Alright. So I'm going to convert these two views. This project we are going to change to the true node, and this project we are using project node. So let me rename the site floor plan as well. Okay, it's a site true node floor plan. Let me delete this one first. So now I'm going to draw particular detail line. Then check the degree. So this means we have to rotate 37 degrees to get the project true node location. So right now we have to go to the Manage tab. Project location panel, we can see position. When I click on the drop down panel, we have to click Project True Node tool. Alright. So before I rotate to the true north, in the properties palette, I have to change the orientation to true north. So in my site true north floor plan, currently using orientation. Now I'm going to change to the true north. After that, go to the Manage tab, Project Location panel, click on the Position drop-down panel, click Rotate True North. Now we can see this middle, that I want to rotate from this point. So click on the place, then go to this point, rotate from here to there to 37 degrees. So right now my project is rotated based on the correct true north. I'm going to compare these two drawings. This floor plan is using true north. This floor plan is using project north. So right now you can see the difference. Alright, so go to the 3D view. The first one, we have to turn on the sun pad. Click on the sun pad and click on the sun pad on. When this pop-up window, use the specify project location, date and time instead. Click this one. Now we can see the sun solar, and after that we can see the sun direction. Okay, so we have one more step to do. Go to the sun setting. We have to change the project correct location. So now let me change to the Canada Toronto. So this is the place that I want to live. Alright, then click OK. And after that, click OK again. Alright, so this time we also can move the sun location from here to here, but we cannot see the shadow because we haven't turned on yet the shadow. Just click on the shadow, then we can see. Now let me change to the hidden line. Then I'm gonna play the sun direction like that, but stay not much different. You can see just a bit. Okay, so now go back to the sun setting again. So this time I want to play solar direction for single day. So click on the single day, and after that, today there is 12 December 14, and then I want to get sunset, sunrise to sunset. But for the evening, I want to get more time, so go to the 7:36 p.m. time interval. I only want to get 15 minutes, then apply and click OK. So right now we got the one single day solar study. So we have to go to this same tool again. Right now we can see preview solar study. Click on it. Then we can see play button here. Press play. Okay. So now we got the solar study. If you want to see with the realistic, change to the graphic display to realistic. Okay, then play again. Alright, after we create this solar study, we also can export this video. So go to the File tab, then export again and a bit go down. And after that, we can see image and animation. Then solar study is appear. So right now we can export. Alright, so currently we have 3 seconds for total time. When I reduce the frame per second to 5, this will become 9-second video. Then click OK and go to the correct location. So let me place here. This will take a few minutes. Then click OK. So now I've got the solar study video. Okay, so this is our 9-second solar study video. Alright, so this time we are going to create the energy analysis model in the Autodesk platform. So we have to go to the Analyze tab in the Energy Optimization panel. We can see location, system zone, create energy, that kind of tools here. Okay, the location we already set up. Another one is system zone. So this way, if you want to create the custom system zone, you can create by yourself. Another one is create energy model. So let me click this one. When I click this, this window will pop up and I'm gonna click on it, create the energy analytical model. Okay, so now we got system zone, and after that the analytical spaces. Alright, another one is system analysis. So here have two analysis, HVAC, system load and sizing, and annual building energy simulation. For our project, I want to calculate for the annual building energy consumption, then click cancel. And after that, here is generate. We have to generate. So use existing energy analytical model, then click OK. Alright, the final step is click on the optimize tool. So this will set you to your Autodesk account. The first important thing, you have to sign in your Autodesk account, and after that you can get your energy analytical model here. So this will take a few minutes. We have to wait it. Meanwhile, that is taking time to create energy analysis model. We can see the setting of this platform. When I click on the setting here, we can change the unit. I'm using metric, and then using annual cost, and then yeah, so I'm using the default option. Here is the currency and ability rate, so you can change to the other currency as your project requirement. Alright, I think this will take maybe more than 10 or 15 minutes. This energy analytical model is ready. So double click on this. Alright, so now we can see building 1 year expense for 1 meter square. So this will be $30.5. So when I go down, they have analysis for every material, and then so we say we just, when I click, okay, I go to the down, here we can see PV service coverage. When I click on it, so this is the widget for the PV coverage. Whenever I change the percentage here, so this will also affect to the energy cost. When I change back to the original, so this will be the $30. So based on this model, I'm gonna prepare PowerPoint slide for our project. So open PowerPoint slide, then open the other slide. Alright. Okay, so this is our building annual cost for 1 year. For 1 year, so this will be $13.5. Let me create new slide. Alright, so now I'm gonna change some material. So the first one is about lighting efficiency. So this is current one. Okay, now I'm going to adjust the value. This will also affect lighting efficiency, energy cost. Alright, and after that, I'm create one more new slide for PV service coverage. Then I adjust to the 90%. Okay. So right now I go back to the main one. Alright, so now our building expect change from $30 for 1 meter square to $27.9 right now. So this is the difference. And then so this will be the difference between the first reading, and after that, after we adjust the material, this will be our final building cost for 1 meter square. That's why we are create energy analysis model for our project between design stage and construction stage, and after that we can compare the results, because most of the client want to get the comparison. So how this energy analysis model can help for our building operation. Alright, so okay, in this video I have been show you how to create solar study in Revit and how to create energy analysis model in Autodesk Insight, and after that how to adjust the material and how to compare the result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.